打从我们的祖辈父辈开始，买房就是许多人努力打拼的动力之一。然而不同的是，现代人买房除了要有瓦遮头，还希望它是一个符合自己期许的理想家园。这种观念上的差异，除了反映出不同世代不同思想，也成为现今发展商开发每一个房产项目的首要考量。
第一个是那个 location 跟那个 area spacing, facilities, security.
The location is definitely the main selling point for me. The other point would be somewhere that is quiet, spacious, and comfortable.
The most important to me is location. It is very convenient, It is the hospital is nearby, the city. They are all within 10 minutes.
The most convenient it was the location. From anything that you need is walking distance away from the supermarket, from restaurants, and all of that you can walk over.
所谓的理想家园必须符合现代人生活各个层面的需求，从房子本身的格局与设计，到公寓的总体规划与设施，再到所在位置和周遭环境等等，环环相扣，缺一不可。
回家像度假，感觉那个 feeling 很轻松。
Perfect is always subjective. Yeah, but I would say this house is part of the journey that I'm going through right now. Space is fantastic, size is gorgeous, and of course the design of the entire thing is wonderful.
We're close to our siblings in this sense. We gather sometimes almost every day, but at least a few times a week. Because it's so convenient. If to say in one word that I'm glad I come here.
I've invited quite a few of my friends over to just, hang out on the weekends. Everyone loves it, everyone really likes it, and they all wish to come back more often. No, yeah, I would say it is the perfect home.